Hey there. I noticed you on the court today. I love your uniform shorts. They're so fabulous. Are they Sergio Valente? It's Gianni Versace, you.
Fuck you!
I love your clothes. Hey, Big D. Maybe me and you can become better friends like them two guys on Survivor.
Reach for the sky! You are a toy!
Are you crying? Are you crying? Are you crying? There's no crying! There's no crying in baseball! Rogers Hornsby was my manager, and he called me a talking pile of pig shit. And that was when my parents drove all the way down from Michigan to see me play the game. And did I cry? No! No! And you know why? Because there's no crying in baseball. There's no crying in baseball! No crying!